Hey there everybody, this box just arrived. Let's get it open and see what's in there. Well, there it is, Onyx Black Collection. And this is a Swiss Army knife. It is the Ranger Grip 55. And this is the Onyx Black version of it. Let's get this sleeve off if I can. There we go. All right, there it is. Look at that. Can't see what that is in there. It's got like this foam rubber protector. Okay, there's some info, some paperwork that comes with it. Here is the knife. You get a little Swiss Army zipper pull attached to the keychain ring. This is the Ranger Grip design. It has like those rubber inlays. All the metal is like blued steel on this. It's stainless steel, but it has a bluing. There is the corkscrew. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way here. Yeah, there it is. Then on this one, let's see here, you do get the tweezers. They're still in the shiny stainless steel with the little black tip on them. But you get a black toothpick with this one instead of the creamy white one that you normally get. Then you get the bottle opener that also has a wire bender on it. And it has a flathead screwdriver for the tip. And then on this side, you get a can opener that has a mini flathead screwdriver on the tip. Pretty nice. Okay, next you have the wood saw. And this is the 4-inch wood saw that comes on all the Ranger Grip Victorinox knives. It's got the blued steel also, so it has that nice black texture. I got paint all over my hands, if you see that. I've been painting today. Nice, grippy, sharp blade with a 90-degree spine. So you can strike a ferro rod with that. And then last but not least is the blade. You got a nice 4-inch blade on there. It's in the blued steel also. And let's get this saw shut real quick. I'm trying to get some of this other gear out of the way. Okay, there it is. It's got a little oil on the blade, as you can see. It also says Victorinox. If it would show up, this garbage camera won't focus. All right, it's got a little jimping back here. And looks like the blade's pretty sharp. It's got a nice looking edge on it. These knives are very lightweight. Got a 4-inch edge, just shy of 4 inches. It is about 9 inches overall. So obviously it's got a 5-inch handle. We got some printer paper here. Here's the knife right out of the box. Yep, pretty sharp. Okay, here it is beside the regular one in red. This is the exact same knife with the exact same tools. This is just the black version. And I've got a couple little additions on there. And this is a little ferro rod with some tinder that goes into the corkscrew. I have one of those left and it's going on here. It's too bad they don't come in like gray and black because these colors are so bright. But this does glow super bright in the dark. So that could come in really handy. But I also have a leftover little mini screwdriver for like eyeglasses that came with my Swiss Army Champ. And I could it's gray. It would probably look pretty good in there. So I might put that in there. This is it right here. Little tiny screwdriver. And it should go right into the end of this corkscrew. Well, it does go in. It's a little loose fit. So it goes down like that far. Which is fine. Because I think that light gray with this knife probably looks a lot better than all this like flashy colors. But like I said, I have one more set of these that I could throw on there. But I'll just see. And of course, with these Ranger grip Swiss Army knives, they got a liner lock, and you push the little Swedish flag symbol there. And it pushes the liner over, and then you can close it right up. That's how this one is too. These ones are not like that, but there you go. It is the Onyx Black Collection. Swiss Army knife Victorinox. I hope you enjoyed this video.
This is Joe Doomsday signing out.